Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you that how to add a white border to your image. So let's go to the Play Store and install the PixArt app. So it's the best app for the editing a photo or a video. So the interface of this app is like this, and go to the let's pick up a photo from this. Here you can see the more effects, and also you can apply border lines and draw. So many effects are is there in this app. So create a white border to this image. Yes, white border is set for that image. Not only this, and you can apply various colors to this. You can see I applied blue and this image. So I'm applying shadow to this. So like this you can adjust the image and create a background to this. So you can see that I have fixed the white border to this image. White border to this image. You can save this photo. Yes, it automatically saves to the gallery. Yes, my photo is saved. Thank you friends for seeing my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.